Hi all, TJ Dagger here. Just going to quickly show you how to use this player vehicle reinforcements mission file. Basically what you'll find in the center of the map is there'll be 6 tank men, 1 for each faction, 2 waypoints, and there'll be these 2 dummy items. One's called vehicle spawn point and it's also tagged player and point. Basically what you'll want to do for your mission is you'll want to move the 1000 waypoint over off in the purple lines though, but just off the map somewhere, because that's where the vehicle will spawn. This is very similar in concept to the infantry infantry reinforcements, in that you'll grab the vehicle spawn point. These are where your vehicles will actually drive in off of, so you can add more of them simply copying the waypoint tags, and your vehicles will spawn the nearest one of those. And basically let's just press play, start, buttons come up, and the vehicle will actually spawn over there, load up the troops, and it gets transferred out, placed over at this point, drive into waypoint. Now what you can do, the options here, you have some on start default sets. So here you can set player faction. At the moment it's set to 3. Change that to 6 for example. Now the way that they're numbered is when you get Germany will be 1, DRM 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so, just as they appear there. That's how they're numbered. So to reference each faction, you just put in the number here. So 6 will be US, and then there is, if you look in the vehicles, got them in levels, which basically you can set which vehicles are available simply by setting the level. The level 4 is all of them. If I set it to level 1, press start, have basically your supply vehicles available. And if I go into F3, press F8, here I can adjust the variables. So if I make the vehicle level 2, just call another one, the menu will refresh, and that's the level 2 vehicles, and there's level 3 and 4. Well, so what you can do is you can have progression in your mission, and simply by adjusting that variable, to do that, script in the generic which set I, which is the where you set a variable. And at any point in your mission you could have your conditions for whatever you want, and set the mission vehicle level to adjust. So you can work in progression using this as well.